Hey everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can print a listing detail page in Command. So in Command, through your KWLS listings, you have the option to print listing detail pages now. So I'm going to walk you through how to do that. The first thing you'll want to do is you'll want to sign into Command, which is agent.kw.com with your KW login credentials. And next we are going to go over to our listings applet. It's the one that looks like a for sale sign on the left-hand side. So we'll click on that. And if you have your MLS synced, you're going to see all of your individual listings here. So if you have that, you can sync it through here. If you have your MLS ID in Command, you can also create Keller exclusive listings through here that are only Market Center exclusive or just exclusive where only you can see it. We do have a tip video that walks you through how to do that if you are interested in that. But then we have the option to also search for listings through here. So we're going to go ahead and find the listing we want to print that out for. We're just going to go to the search bar and we can zoom in on an area if we want. So we can just zoom in through here. We can, select zip codes, neighborhoods, things like that. So we can select through there, and we can filter those. So we're going to go ahead and filter it by active so that we can see an active one through here. Let's go. Let's try zooming out a little bit. Maybe it'll give us something a little more. But we can go ahead. We'll go with this one right here since I have that picture. So we're just going to go ahead and select that listing that we want here. And then you're going to see this print listing button up at the top right. So we're just going to click on that. It may take a second here. And then it's going to pop up this preview for us, which, there we go. And it's going to give us that listing information. So it'll go ahead and add your personal information through here. And then even if it's not your listing, it'll add your information here, which is going to be great to hand this to clients who are looking for listings and things like that. So if you want to print this out and give this to them, it'll have the image as well as the information through here. You can look through that. And then you have two options here. We can download it. Maybe we want to send it to our contacts, our clients as a PDF. So we can just click download right here, and it's going to give us that PDF. We also have the option to print our listing right here, and it will give us our print options. So again, you can just print it as a PDF or print it directly to your printer from here. Just switch that up, and then you would be able to just switch it to your printer if you had it connected here, and then you would have the option to print it directly, or we can save it as a PDF again here. Once you've done that, you'll be good to go. You can see it in your downloads pop up there. If you have any questions or if you run into any snags with any of this, please feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we are always here to help out. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.